Ahead of signing the contract to manufacture 83 Tejas Mark 1A fighter jets at the upcoming Defence Expo, Hindustan Aeronautics is planning to outsource around 35% of the 38,000 crore rupees contract to the private sector, which will significantly help to increase its annual production capacity to meet the requirement of the Indian Air Force. The long-delayed AK-203 rifle production project is likely to get a push today, during the first board meeting of the Indo-Russian joint venture firm. The Indo-Russian Rifles Private Limited will firm up the offer price for the rifles today, which would result in the local production of 6.7 lakh AK-203 rifles for the Indian Army by May 2020. According to latest media reports, the joint venture firm L&T MBDA Missile Systems have established an integration facility in India, which will start delivering complete systems for the export market from 2020. MBDA has offered its Exocet M40 Block 3 and C Scepter to the Indian Navy, and this facility will address the Indian Navy's air defense requirement for short-range surface-to-air system. The ATGM-5 will also be designed and manufactured at this facility, to meet India's specific operational requirements. Chinese defense companies have postponed the planned work on the country's new aircraft carrier and fighter jets, in order to concentrate on controlling the risk of spreading the coronavirus. Top Chinese defense equipment design and manufacturing institutes are located in Wuhan City, which builds submarines and advanced naval technologies like the electromagnetic catapult, railgun and full electric propulsion. India's Aeron Systems has received the certification for the indigenously developed navigation system for fighter jets. The attitude and heading reference system consists of sensors on 3 axes that provides information of the aircraft. The indigenously built system can replace the imported system, which will reduce the cost significantly and ensure that future repair and maintenance can be done faster during the entire life cycle of the fighter jet. The Kalyani Group will showcase its latest 155mm 52 caliber MArG ultralight howitzer at Defence Expo 2020, and it comes in both steel and titanium variants. According to defense analysts, the X-caliber can achieve a greater range when tested from the MArG extended range ultralight howitzer, as compared to imported M777 howitzer, which is still being inducted into the Indian Army. The MArG has cleared all internal trials of the company, and will soon be offered to the Indian Army for user trials. India's Lohia Group had acquired Israel-based Light and Strong Limited in February 2019, which is Israel's largest private producer of carbon fiber composite components for Israeli aerospace and defense sector. The Lohia Group will now manufacture components of aerospace, military and naval applications in India, including parts and assemblies of complete UAV structures, along with civil and cargo aircraft structural and interior components. The Modi government is preparing to appoint 10 new defense attachés, and funds have been allocated after identifying 34 countries that have the scope for expanding India's defense exports, as India cannot restrict its defense cooperation to a few countries. Indian public sector undertakings have also opened offices in different countries like Vietnam, Singapore, Myanmar and Oman.